Okay, welcome back. We're going to look at display panels today. The thing about Maya is there's so much going on around the screen, there's so many options, etc. in this program that if you've got a dual display system, it's going to make life a lot easier. You can drag tabs off over to the other monitor and stuff. It is a huge system. It's almost worth having just one monitor for just the display alone and all the other panels in on another monitor, and all this is easily done in Maya, easily done, so that's something to bear in mind. But I'm producing this for you at YouTube, so I've only got a limited area I can work with, which does become a bit of a pain. But let's have a look at the panels now. Now this is really good because this is the perspective view, so we can do anything within here, and we will start moving around in space in a minute. But I want to show you the panel sets that you can pick. You can actually set layouts. So if you come down to panels, layouts, you can select here. At the moment we're on single pane, which is perspective, but you can have 4 pane. This is really good. This gives you the perspective view, so as if you were just standing there in front of it, but these give you the location of everything. This is the top, so you're looking down on it. This is the side, so you're looking at the side of it, and this is the front, so you're looking at it down the Z axis, and the side is the Y axis, and the top is looking down the Y axis. So if you have a look at this in the perspective view, you'll actually see the location. So when you make a change to something, I'll get rid of the cube there, select this. If you make a change here using the blue, you're actually affecting the Z axis because it's there. And if you do a Y axis change, then you'll hit the red. So you see how, and the yellow is always like a general proportional change to something. So that's the panel sets for you, which is good to know. But because again we're on YouTube, I have to put this back to the one panel set. Now to switch views, you can have your mouse anywhere on screen and press the space bar. And if I wanted to go into the side, I hit that, it goes into the side, click it again. If I want to go in the front, so I'm putting my mouse over the panel what I want to zoom in on, and just pressing the space bar will zoom you in. I'm going to go back to perspective and show you that I'm not going to select the object now, but I'm going to hold the shift key and the left button, the left mouse button, and I can now rotate around that object. If I held the right mouse button and the Alt key, I can zoom in and out. So with these two tools, I'm able to move. If I hold the middle mouse button, it's always good to have 3, and still hold the Alt key, I can actually move up and across. I don't tumble around, I sort of move in a straight kind of line. So left mouse key, tumble around, middle mouse key, up and down, right mouse key, zoom in and out on the object. But remember with those mouse options there to hold the Alt key when you do it, otherwise nothing will happen. So Alt key, I think on the Mac it will be the Apple key. So hold that down while you're holding the mouse button down, and you'll be able to do these things. They are your bread and butter of moving around in this scene, plus the space bar to be able to zoom out as well. You don't have to be zoomed in, I could do it from here as well. I can zoom in here as well. On these panels you can't, because they're just locked as flat, so it's only the perspective panel that you can move in and out of and tumble around with. So okay, we'll look at applying a colour to it in the next lesson. So save your work, and I'll see you in the next lesson.